And following Governor Kate Brown's announcement of the state reopening this week, locals are prepared to go back to pre-pandemic life. NBC5's Mariah Mills spoke with Jackson County Public Health today to see what this means for our area. Mariah?
Craig, as the vaccination clinic at the expo wraps up, Jackson County public health officials want people to know that vaccines aren't just going to disappear. In fact, they'll be available at the Jackson County Public Health Clinic for free, and they encourage people to come down.
COVID remains a significant public health issue, and public health is supported and funded by various sources.
Jackson County Public Health Officer Dr. Jim Shames says COVID-19 vaccines will still be readily available for people even after the state reopens. He says money from the federal government CARES Act will pay for the vaccines.
No one's going to ask you for insurance information. No one's going to ask you for proof or identity. And no one's going to ask you for money.
Dr. Shames says Jackson County Public Health is focused on making things convenient for people to get vaccinated.
Based on the latest CDC figures, Oregon has vaccinated 69% of adults. Oregon ranks 18th in the nation in total population who've received at least one dose.
Pat Allen, director of the Oregon Health Authority, says Oregon is 19,000 vaccinated people away from reaching the 70% reopening goal. In Jackson County, Dr. Shames says around 55% of the population is vaccinated.
It'll be up to county commissioners, who act as local health boards, and local public health officials to intervene to slow the spread of COVID-19 in their communities. They'll be responsible for conducting case investigations and contact tracing, ongoing vaccination efforts at the local level, and implementing other needed interventions, such as social distancing protections or any additional mask requirements.
Jackson County commissioners tell me they're still waiting to hear from OSHA and the state for more guidance before making any decisions regarding COVID restrictions in the county. Dr. Shames encourages people who haven't been vaccinated to do so, as the new Delta variant of the virus is more harmful and quickly spreading amongst unvaccinated individuals.
Ultimately, we need to protect more of our public than we have.
Jackson County commissioners tell me they're meeting tomorrow at 9 a.m. to further discuss what COVID restrictions will remain in place. Live in studio, Mariah Mills, NBC5 News.